What's your name?
Miss Pewter.
Miss Romo.
And who do you think is going to win for the basketball game?
The staff.
Staff.
Why? Because what? Why?
Because we're better
We're
than
the best.
anybody.
Okay, thank you.
Jump ball. Going to make them. Three points, ring.
What's your name?
Charlie. Avery.
And why did you not pick the basketball game?
Because I wanted to do art with Miss Harrison. Because Mrs. Harrison is amazing.
And who do you think's going to win the basketball game?
I think the teachers are going to win. I think the teachers are going to win this one.
Why?
Because I think they are a lot taller and they've got more skills. Teachers are just better. Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Mrs. Magnus.
And how do you feel that the staff won the basketball game?
I think it's fantastic. You know, the 8th graders, they just couldn't bring it. And the staff, they crushed it.